హలో,
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
నైస్ టు మీట్ యు. బాగున్నారు? థ్యాంక్ యూ.
బాగున్నారా? సో మిమ్మల్ని కొద్దిసేపు ఇలానే చూడొచ్చా? Can I see like this? Can I see like this?
See like this. Yeah, you can.
For 10 minutes.
What's that? What
you really have a good body.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
how is your journey going on?
In this film industry right now, shooting for 10th film with
nice.
Ravi Teja garu this time. Kiladi, very classy film.
Okay.
I'm playing the character David. He's a parallel role.
Okay.
Grey shade character, not a villain, for a change.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Kotta angle.
Yeah, very amazing character presented by Ramesh Verma garu, the director, and very excited. 28th May it's releasing, and I'm here to finish my last few portions for the next 10 days shooting. That's it. Yeah, amazing, stunning.
సో మీరు విలన్ కంటే కొంచెం హీరోగా చేయొచ్చు కదండి మాలాంటి అమ్మాయిలకి. అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పింది? Did you understand what did I say?
कि विलन बनते बनते आप हीरो बन रहे हो?
नहीं विलन के what do you say? विलन కాకుండా try to act like a hero na for girls.
For girls?
Yeah.
Girls are telling me that even if you act as a villain, you look very
Yeah,
good.
of course. We'll be watching like that also.
So I'm happy, but it's, yeah. But as long as if has to be a hero, I'm very soon I will definitely promise I'll come as a hero.
Okay. So నేను ఈ రోజు ఒక ఫార్మల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ లాగా కాకుండా మీ గురించి తెలుసుకోవడానికి I want to know about you.
Right.
So this is like a date.
Okay.
Is that fine?
A very quick date and a small. This is the most fastest
Very
and smallest
quick
date ever. Okay. Yes, please.
Okay. So చిన్న rapid fire questions I
Right.
have planned for you.
Okay.
So yeah. మీ గురించి 2 funny facts చెప్తారా?
About me?
Yeah. 2 funny facts.
2 funny facts. 2 funny facts.
That never you told to anyone. నాతో షేర్ చేసుకోండి.
Then I'm a very good mimicry artist of my family, my father, my everyone in my family. I can take out everybody's voice very properly.
Okay.
And another is I think only one I remember. Now I don't know. You're asking like this suddenly. I'm like I can't understand what else I have to say.
Okay. So పర్వాలేదు. It's okay.
My life people know everything. There's nothing that I hide.
మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే భయమేట్లేదు.
Huh?
I'm not scared looking at you
You're
as a
not
villain.
scared?
No.
Not at all?
No.
How do you feel? We are anyways on a date now, so how can you feel scared?
అంటే విలన్ కదా, నేను సినిమాలో మిమ్మల్ని విలన్ గా చూసి అంటే సినిమాలో I used to scared.
Acha, you used to get scared.
Yeah,
Okay.
but now I'm feeling so
Relax. No, see, villains are not bad at all.
No, not at all. They're handsome. They're
because of
sexy. Like Anup Tagore.
Thank you.
Okay. So one more thing. మీరు వర్క్ చేసిన హీరోస్ లో who's your favorite hero?
One of my most favorite heroes that I prefer is Mr. Junior NTR Garu.
Okay.
Junior NTR Garu's work I have seen as a performer in terms of performance and in terms of that larger than life scale. It's Prabhas Garu.
Oh, Prabhas.
Yeah.
Okay. So mostly asked question, whom would you date, marry and kill?
Oh my God.
So who's your favorite heroine? First of all, let me know. In Tollywood?
I have loved watching Anushka Shetty's work. Anushka Shetty's work, because I've worked also with her in Singham 3, right?
Okay. And anyone else?
And Tamanna Bhatia.
Tamanna
I
Bhatia.
like her work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so whom would you date, kill and marry?
Okay.
Anushka Shetty, Tamanna and Shruti Haasan.
Marry Anushka Shetty, date Tamanna Bhatia. Maybe I don't want to kill because she's too sweet looking. But because
You're going to kill Shruti Haasan?
No, I'm not. I just had a fight sequence with her in Singham 3. I don't want to kill her.
అందుకే పగబట్టారా శృతి హాసన్ మీద? Okay. So what's that one secret you want to tell? అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు వరకు చెప్పలేని ఒక సీక్రెట్ నాతో చెప్తారా?
But if it is a secret, why will I tell it to people?
Because this is a date కదా, అందుకని.
Date?
మీ గురించి నాకు తెలియాలి కదా, ఒక సీక్రెట్ చెప్పండి.
This secret
That I should know.
That you should know.
Yeah.
On the camera.
సరే సీక్రెట్ గా చెప్తారా? Okay.
There's no such secret.
No such secret.
Open book for everyone.
Okay. When was the last time you told a lie? అబద్ధాలు చెప్పరా?
Just now that I don't have a secret.
ఓకే ఓకే సో వాట్ ఆర్ యూ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్సెస్డ్ విత్ దీస్ డేస్? ఐ మీన్ ఈ రోజుల్లో మీకు అంటే ఈ ఫోన్ కి కానీ దేనికన్నా ఎడిక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నారా మీరు? అబ్సెస్డ్ with some kind of things?
I'm obsessed with only bodybuilding right now completely. I'm shaping my body for a movie, na? For this, so I'm obsessed with gym, workout, only myself in the mirror, mirror obsession.
Oh, mirror
All the time
obsession.
looking at myself, smiling. Okay, as a hero, I should look like this. This dimple is there. I should smile like this all the time.
మీరు అలా స్మైల్ చేయకండి, అమ్మాయిలు పడిపోతున్నారు.
Hello, hi.
ఓకే సో సార్ imagine if you could ask Rajamouli sir a role in Bahubali, what would it be? Which character?
Prabhas's role directly. That's the
Prabhas.
only role I can visualize myself in.
విలన్ కదా, ఇది రానాలా ట్రై చేయకపోయారా?
I can, that he will give, no, himself. But I will at least pitch
Okay.
him that I want to play.
Prabhas garu.
Because I can do horse riding, sword fighting, everything. In Winner movie, I learned horse riding.
విన్నర్ లో చేసి.
So because when I see Prabhas's character, the Bahubal's character, I can visualize myself doing it into it.
Okay,
It's that
that's nice.
beautiful.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తాం.
I hope so.
Okay, an actor or an actress comes to your mind when I say the following.
Okay.
Okay, the boy or the girl next door?
The girl next door, Raghurpreet Singh.
బాయ్ కూడా అన్నా, బాయ్ వినిపించలేదా?
The girl next door, the boy next door for me, I don't know, I consider Varun Tej as very,
Okay.
yeah, the very boy next door kind of a look.
ఓకే సో ఐ లైక్
You like him?
ఎస్. ఎప్పుడైనా కలిపిండి.
Date is shifting.
ఓ సారీ, మీరు హర్ట్ అవుతున్నారు కదా చిలిపి. ఓకే, whom do you feel is your competition or threat? No one?
My only competition is myself. I don't treat anybody as my competition. When I told you, no, I look in myself in the mirror. That guy is the competition. I don't consider any hero as a competition.
Okay, so react to the questions only by your face expressions.
Okay.
Anup, I love you. Okay, control. And one more thing, and how does Anup day look like when he's not on shoot?
Morning 2 hours workout in the gym.
Every time
Gym
workout,
every
what
day.
you do?
What do we do? There's no other. There's no date. Only date is in Hyderabad. No, here. No.
Oh.
Who is the date in Bombay? Nobody.
Sometimes you come here to Hyderabad to
Okay.
date with me.
Acha, is it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes only. Not full time.
It's okay. It's full time.
Baki time Varun Tej, huh?
I'll not cheat. I'll not cheat you. I'll not cheat you.
Look at you. Yeah, so it's majorly workout in the morning and then the whole day spending time with my niece, 5-year niece is
Okay.
there. With my mother, I'm very close to my mother. Especially it's with mother. And evenings I have few meetings normally. And then taekwondo, gymnastics, trainings non-stop. So I'm every day there is classes of dance class, all of that.
Fitness freak, huh?
No, but
Fitness freak.
learning new dance forms, learning new martial arts forms, it all helps in the movies, no? So it's a very simple lifestyle out there.
Okay.
There's not,
Okay.
I don't drink, I don't smoke, I've never even tasted alcohol. So
Oh,
for me,
nice.
it's a very
నాకు
simple
మంచిదైతే.
lifestyle. Yeah.
నాకు మంచిది.
Same, Acha, you do?
No. I'm telling, it's nice for me. I don't like
Nice for you.
a guy who
Oh.
drinks or.
Same situation.
మీరు హీరోగా ఉండి మీకు విలన్ గా ఎవరైతే బాగుంటుంది?
As a villain, मुझे क्या अच्छा लगा?
नहीं. So if you act as a hero, whom would you prefer as a villain?
Whom would I prefer as a villain?
Yeah.
Opposite me?
Yeah.
Someone like Rana Daggubati. Because the stronger the villain, stronger the hero.
Okay. So whom would you prefer as a heroine?
Anyone my director calls me, just get one heroine. I'm ready to shoot.
తమన్నా భటియా.
Yeah.
శృతి హాసన్ పెట్టాలి మీకు.
Arey, lovely heroine she is. Who said? Just because I said that answer, you
Yeah.
should not say that. Like.
Okay. What would you? So tell me your opinion on love.
Opinion on love is something that it has to be very unconditional. No conditions involved. If I feel for someone, I just will travel for her. I will do everything for her
Okay.
without expecting that she will also do the same thing.
Okay.
That is love for me.
Okay.
No conditions. I gave you a hint.
Oh, yeah,
Come
that's
to
all.
Bombay. Right.
That's all. Okay. What is that you're proud of yourself?
I'm
Your
proud
body?
of no. I'm proud of getting the gold medal for India, Mr. World 2015. I'm proud of becoming an Indian there, first winner to represent India there. I'm proud of representing India there to become the first Mr. World in 2015.
Okay,
That I'm
that's
proud
nice. Okay. So what is that one quality of yours you want to give up?
of. Quality.
Yeah.
One quality of mine that I want to give up is I don't know, maybe
You're perfect, Ray.
no. I
What
mean,
is that you want to give up?
there is a certain impulsiveness sometimes, restlessness. I want to give up that restlessness. I'm all the time thinking like, 2 days if pass, no, I will look at the ceiling and I want to shoot. So I want to start shooting. I want to start shooting.
Okay.
So there's no peaceness. There's no calmness. I want to give up that restlessness.
Sometimes you come to Hyderabad. Okay.
Definitely, I got your hint.
Okay.
Thank you.
ఓకే సో మీకు కోపం ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో వస్తుంది కోపం మీన్స్ యాంగ్రీ
Angry. In which situations I get? I get angry when I'm made to wait for anybody.
ఓహో
Or I can't wait for anyone and I will not make anybody wait for me.
Wait.
I hate that.
That's
So
nice.
I get angry for that. I get angry if during the work I don't see people very serious about their work. It makes me angry. On the work, if I am, I expect you to be completely into the work. And, I get angry when I'm very hungry and at that time my food doesn't come on time and somebody asks me
ఏం
this.
చేస్తారు కోపం వస్తే ఏం చేస్తారు వాట్ యు డూ వెన్ యు ఆర్ యాంగ్రీ యు రియాక్ట్ ఆర్ యు షౌట్
There are two ways
యు
about
డూ ఏ
it.
ఫైట్ సీన్ ఆర్
No. I'm always angry. That's why I'm always at the gym. I'm always lifting weights.
That's nice.
All my anger is like on the lifts, on the weights and stuff.
సేఫ్ సైడ్
Safe side.
అందరికి
So that is like converting the negative energy into the positive energy, right? Lifting weights, completely transforming the body. But if I'm angry, otherwise I normally just go very quiet.
ఓకే
My silence is the best answer.
ఓకే అండ్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ యు థింక్ అబౌట్ ద యాంకర్ ఆపోజిట్ టు యు
Opposite to me, this anchor.
What are you thinking then? I'm asking about myself.
I am very pretty anchor.
Oh, thank
And
you.
very notorious and very naughty. Very naughty. And what do I think? That one.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. చాలా తక్కువ టైం ఇచ్చారు
Thank you,
నాకు.
thank you
I'm
so
really
Thank you.
upset.
Why upset?
తక్కువ
You
టైం
only
ఇచ్చారు.
said, na, keep coming to Hyderabad, keep coming to Hyderabad.
Oh.
So next time also we'll take some interview.
ఓకే అలా అయితే ఓకే
Date on interview. Huh?
ఎస్ I'll plan something like roses,
No
chocolates.
candlelight, nothing. You're bloody. I'm giving you the chocolate. Here, take my chocolate for the date.
ఒక్కటేనా నాకు చాలా కావాలి.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wait, hold. Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers.
మీలాగా చాలా తీయగా ఉంది. చాక్లెట్ ఇస్ లైక్ యూ ఓన్లీ సో స్వీట్.
Is it? Are you enjoying eating it then?
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ టైమ్ అనూప్.
Thank you.
లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చాలా మూవీస్ చేయాలి, మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ ఇలాగే
Thank you so much.
చాలా ఎంటర్టైన్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ
We'll try definitely. Thank you so much, love.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.